So yeah, the JBL Extreme 4 gets as loud as the F18. So if you have an electric unicycle, I highly recommend getting an Extreme 4 or Extreme 5. It can even get louder if you get a battery bank. They sell a couple of battery banks that can put out 100 watts. You'll get an extra 30 watts actually. So it's like right there. I'm gonna go fast. I'm gonna go like 40 and see if I can hear it, and maybe I'll even be able to hear it better. I'll let you guys know. Sadly, I had to trade my F18 because I couldn't get a job. I traded it for this Master V3, and I really missed the speaker on the F18. So I got a great deal. I found this Extreme 4, and it just comes up here with the strap right under the light, and then I just have this to push it down and it stays perfect 100%. This is not as good as the V14, but stay tuned. I'll give you guys a little overview of my ride today on it. It does have the C28 motor though, which I do like. But yeah, I'm gonna go on this trail over here. It's 100% not as durable as the F18 or the Lynx that I had before. I was gonna trade the F18 back for the Lynx, and I made a big mistake with that. But yeah, if you're looking for like a regular like trail wheel that doesn't have like a lot of rocks, I would say that this would probably be a good match for you if you're looking to get into it. It goes up hills really good. I posted a video the other day. I started that video with, I was wearing like a teal tank top, and ended up going up some really high hills, went up about 3,000 feet on this Master V3. So it does get up there. It can climb. It's got the same motor as the Sherman L, and it's lighter. I think it might even have the same motor as the Lynx, but definitely the Lynx is 100 times more durable and stronger. So yeah. All right, so this is where you got to be really careful on the Master, because you don't want to clip it on any of these rocks. So I'm gonna be very, very careful. And I clipped it. Yeah, so you can see right there, it took some damage. That material is not very good on this kit, so yeah, I'm probably just gonna stop and not go over this type of stuff with the Master. I don't know if there's aftermarket 3D kits that will be able to help handle that stuff better, but it's definitely not handling it very well. So that's the downside of the Master compared to other ones. But it does the hills, and it has the acceleration, it has the torque, but it does not have the durability. Okay, so my review of the Master V3, it's not going to be for off-road rocks where you can clip, where you can pedal clip. If you can pedal clip on this, you're not going to want to use it, because this part right here, you can see it took some damage right there. But other than that, on the trails, it's perfect. The trail that I did the other day, it didn't have big rocks. It had enough room, and it was just like small rocks and gravel like that. It can do it. It can do gravel like that and rocks like that, no problem. I really like this design. The speaker is faced up. It's plenty loud. It's as loud as the F18 speaker, and that's without it being plugged in to the wall. Well, you can get it even louder than that by getting a super small 100-watt power bank and plugging it into it, and using it during. So I'm excited to see how much louder it gets. It's getting anywhere from 50 to 75 watts right now, but it'll get up to 100 watts when it's plugged into that 100-watt power bank. So I'm super excited about that. I really do like these pads. Like, I'm not sure what pads these originally came from, but I'm super like those pads a lot. Normally I only like my front Grizzlies, and ended up giving away my 3D print off power knobs in order to get this. The guy haggled me, but I really needed the money. He ended up getting a great deal. But yeah, this Velcro on here, it's the best Velcro that I've ever had on an EUC. You can, if you're gonna get an EUC, definitely upgrade to the best Velcro possible. It's 100% worth it. This Velcro is absolutely awesome. I forget which brand makes that Velcro, but yeah, as you can see, it went down. This 3D print that the guy sold me, it's not very durable. So it already cracked right there. Not a very high quality 3D print, but yep. I'm gonna just kind of ride it around for the rest of the day, and I'm gonna get up to 40 miles an hour and see how it sounds, and I'll end the video with if it is as good or better as the F18 speaker. And that's a nice speaker on the F18 King Song. chilling here at the Planet Fitness massage bed, and I can affirm that the JBL Etreeme 4 speaker, at least pointed upwards, is louder to me. I don't know if it's louder for other people to listen to on a group ride, but it's definitely louder just on battery mode, which is pretty awesome. I do like that a lot. I feel like it has better bass as well, so I don't know. I'll have to see if I can ride with someone who's got a King Song F18 and see if it's just as loud for the other people around for group rides. Anyway, may your days be filled with absolute joy, peace, bliss, eternal ecstasy, unconditional love, and absolute vitality. And try to stay sane in this crazy world. Happy and joyful and jolly in this crazy world.